Hello everyone. I know you are here to learn Python, one of the most powerful languages. But the question is, why Python? And what made Python so popular? Well, for starters, Python is a very simple language. You can say it's very similar to English. Since it is similar to English, it is easy to learn, read and write. All this improves productivity. We will see how as we progress in the course. Another important feature of Python is it's free, completely free and open source. Open source means its source code is available to everyone. Since it is open source, many people, in fact, the complete open source community is helping to build and improve Python. As a result, they have abundant set of libraries which makes development very easy. One more important feature is platform independent, which means the program developed in Python can run in Linux, Mac or Windows. Well, it has many other features like it is portable, it's dynamically typed, etc. We will understand all this when we move further into the course. Apart from these features, there is one more reason to learn Python. That is uses and applications of Python. You know, everybody is talking about AI, machine learning, data science, IoT, drones and many other technologies. Well, let me tell you, all these technologies can be programmed using Python. I think this should be the biggest reason for you to learn Python. Well, now you know why Python is so important. Let's start writing the program, but in the next session.